Hi, in our today's video we'll learn how to use the seam ripper to loosen stitches. The seam ripper usually come in different sizes and different colors, so I'll just open up to show you what the sizes look like. This is the small one and this is the big one. For me, I prefer using the bigger size because it's more comfortable to use, so I'm using the bigger ones for today's project. The seam ripper usually have a long sharp edge like this and a curvy part inside which is very sharp, and this will snap the thread open. So I will show you two methods which you can use the seam ripper to loosen your stitch. So let's get started. For the first one, all you have to do is to put this long sharp edge into your seam. Give interval as you do this. Remember to cover your seam ripper after use for safety. Then you open remove the thread. For the second method, because this part is double stitch, so okay. Snap the thread, open, put it in between the thread. And this is it. Remember to cover your seam ripper for safety. If you find today's video helpful, I would like you to subscribe, like, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.